This video is sponsored by Squarespace. I'm currently traveling in Japan and I've been here for almost a full month. And I brought my lightest kit, which I've talked about before, but I think we need to actually see some photos with it. So to keep my traveling nice and easy, I just brought the X-T5 with the 27mm Pancake. I absolutely love this lens and I've talked about it before, but let's actually see it in action. I found a model in Japan. We're gonna roam around and take some pictures. I'm gonna show you all the JPEGs, but also talk about some of the things I love the most with this combo setup. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's get some kebabs and
honestly, have you been to that one? That one's good.
Haven't.
We joked about it for a while, and then we got it one night, and it was really
I
good.
did just have a burger.
That's good.
That was my first non-Japanese meal since I've been here.
What do you like about Japan? What do you like about being here?
Oh my God. Honestly, everything. But kind of like the calmness and the quietness, especially here in Tokyo. It's like everything good about New York without the rats and the trash. It's like so cool to have a big city like this and be like, wow, it's safe and it's clean and it's quiet for the most part. Obviously, yeah, Shinjuku is kind of crazy at night, but wow, look at it. Wow.
That's nice. Is the X-T5 your current go-to for all things?
Yes, for travel, for JPEG work, for family work, for my weddings. A lot of people think I'm shooting GFX for weddings just because I've showed it off a couple times, but it's not the best option. I do love using it, don't get me wrong, but I'd rather do an X-T5, keep it nice and light, get the results I want. It's usually always good. And people always, oh, Fuji's not worth just because of that, but the size and weight, which I know other companies have, the color science is really good as well. Color science is probably my favorite thing. And I don't know, something about the bodies have always made me want to take photos. And that's the biggest thing that's always kept me using Fujifilm cameras. Oh no.
How do you find people to take photos of out when you're traveling in a place you don't live?
It's actually really hard. But generally, if I know someone in the area, I'll try and see if they know any models. What's best is actually hanging around other photographers. So if you know photographers in the area, let them know if, ask them if they have any models. Also, it helps to pay. I always pay all my models. I'm not a fan of the whole trade for photo because it's cool when you're starting out, but y'all have to keep in mind that a lot of these models, they have like all the photographers in the area asking them to do trade for photo. And it's like, it gets old. Like they got a life too. They got to live and eat. So like pay your models. Maybe not a lot depending on their experience, but just realize that you may be like, oh, I'm just one guy in town. The one time they have everybody already trade for photos. So I usually pay my models and that helps because then it's like, hey, I'm gonna pay whatever amount and they're immediately like, sign me up.
I also find that they actually show up too.
Yeah, oh my God. Especially if you're traveling to another country and they dip on you, that's like the worst. You're like, I planned this whole thing. I got a whole day wasted now. And the shoot I was gonna do is not there. Maybe you brought a videographer with you. You know, the worst.
Whole crew just picking up cigarette butts and
they're old, you know, the whole time. They're just like cursing out all the young people. They're like, oh, what's happened to Shinjuku when I was growing up? I saw some old ladies doing it earlier. She was just like shaking her head, picking up the trash. We weren't this loud and crazy when we were kids.
probably worse.
They probably, that's every time an old person says we weren't like this, it's like, actually, you were. You just didn't care back then because you were the
Didn't have
kids.
social media.
Oh, yeah. It wasn't as visible. So I'm gonna slow shutter to try and get motion for everyone else. So you'll have to try your best not to move. Yeah, except maybe like, yeah, come over just a tiny bit, right about there. And try your best not to move. Let me actually, so trying to do low shutter sometimes. Photographers, we forget about our ND filters. Where's mine? Here it is. Okay, so I got my ND filter now so I can slow the shutter down even more. We'll have to wait for some more people to come by. Awesome. We'll have to see in post if that actually came out. I was at 1/4. See if I have steady hands. Let's keep walking a bit. I actually might, there was a spot beside a train that was kind of cool that I liked, that we might go find. Oh, let's get this since there's a lot of lights. Keep your umbrella closed. And I like how you're standing profile. And I want to see like the umbrella, so feel free to like swing it a little. Yeah, I like that. Where did I find that train? Yeah, there was a spot I found.
Narrow one?
You know what I'm saying? There's like a train station with the... Oh, there's also that other alley we found.
Yeah, like the little L?
Yeah.
It could be cool.
This way?
Yeah.
So I want to try to do a... kind of like a upshot. So like open your umbrella and I'll be like kind of shooting. Yeah. I kind of want all those cables. Let's see, what's this? Yeah. Yeah, so right about here, but face this way. There you go. Turn a little bit more and then bring your umbrella. That's perfect. Hold that for me. Wish I had a wider lens. I swear every time I shoot, I wish I have a wider lens. I'm a very wide lens person. Let me try one more time, see if I can get a little bit lower. Chin down just a tad. There we go. Awesome.
It's been amazing traveling in Japan, and one thing that I really love is the fact that I can count on my website at all times because of this video sponsor, Squarespace. If you're looking to have an online presence further than just social media that gives you more clout as a business owner, Squarespace is going to be the way to do that. Squarespace is an online platform that will help you build your website quickly and easily and give you an online presence that gives weight to your business. I personally have been using Squarespace for over 10 years now, and I love their features like commerce for selling physical and digital products, their new Squarespace payments for managing your payments coming in and out of your commerce site, analytics for diving into who's on your website and where they're coming from, as well as amazing customer service. If you're looking to move your photography business to the next level, having an online presence is the way to do it. So make sure to check out the link in the description below for 10% off of your first website or domain.
Where can I shoot? Where can I not shoot? Too bad the signs aren't on. That's fine though. We'll have you stand here in the middle. Ugh. That's a cool alley, actually. So here I want to do almost like a walking shot, but you're not actually gonna walk. We're gonna like pose through it. So I want you to like, almost like you're stepping, but you're gonna be going like across, almost like you want to go down that way. However, I'm gonna have you back up a bit so I can get more of the depth. And 3, 2, 1. Make that stance wider. Make it feel almost weird. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead and take a walk down this alley. Open your umbrella. And then walk down until you get past the, see the orange sign that's crossing the whole...
It's like the orange sign.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah. When you walk, sometimes do turn your head a little bit so I can see your face, just a tad. I'm not going to be able to because you're walking away from me, obviously, but And you could walk like a normal pace. Feel free to dodge around people and, you know, just not be in anyone's way too much. This lighting, it's so dark. That's good there, Mia. Come up a bit. Stop here. And then maybe a pose where you're like, really like holding that umbrella. Yeah. If you could for me, hold that. I'm gonna do the Brennizer technique, which is like a panoramic photo. So hold that for me. Here we go. I messed up. Let's try again. This is another good spot. Let's actually hit another video here. Same thing earlier where I had the umbrella open and I was trying to like shoot under it. Yeah, actually no, just stay here. I like how you're looking over your shoulder like that. This will be a video. And 3, 2, 1. Take everything and like turn your whole, yep. The worst lighting. It's fine though, we can work with it. Let's keep, I actually liked that greenery around there. I tried to go there in February, but I didn't realize, and I like walked all the way over there and got there like right as it closed, and I was like, great job. Yeah, it looked really nice. You see this, the bigger rock there? So we're not gonna go on it, but in front of it. Do you mind kneeling down? So I'm thinking here, I'll show you. Yeah, maybe like this, and then you can have your umbrella. Perfect, hold that. There's a punch in. That's what's nice about the X-T5 is I can punch in whenever I need to. And then close the umbrella, and then like almost prop yourself up with it. Yeah, maybe the other way. Yeah, there you go. Put your chin on your. Awesome. Let's keep moving. Oh. What I would call like a New York pace, or I guess you could say Tokyo, but you know the pace. It's like you gotta move, because if not, you're gonna get ran over by everybody. Stop, come back, real quick. Right here. Just pose right here real quick. Awesome, let's go. Ah! Trying to get it a little bit wider. That's the main thing, is trying not to die. That's what we're really trying to do. We're gonna keep heading down this way. Oh, they finally turned on the sign. I don't want to block everybody, but we are already.
Oh, it's got drip.
Yeah, mystery fluid.
Stop, John Brand.
Let's take a photo in the no. Let's fight some people for a photo. Put your back kind of like on this. Blocking everybody. Go back like 7 steps. Right there, look over your shoulder. Yeah. Face forward. 2 hands on the umbrella. Perfect, let's keep moving. Away from the toilet sign. Stop there. Come over. Side profile, so stand sideways and then look over. Yeah, perfect. Awesome, let's keep moving. I guess let's make our way back and get that Shinjuku sign. Good old Shinjuku sign. Everyone will be here. And a big truck. I guess we'll stay in front of the truck. Can you touch the ground with it without it looking like you're hunchback? Does it work? Oh yeah. I don't know, you might be able to. It might work. Have you seen those reels where they do like the Vogue and someone will like run up and like fall over and it's like Vogue? Yeah. That's what it looks like. It looks like, I don't mind it. I think we just have to refine it. Try your hand in your pocket. And then yeah, like hold that. Yeah, this is the only downside to 27mm. Because I shoot wide so often, I always wish I was wider. People are so polite. Everyone's stopping for the photos. I would think in an area like Shibuya, everyone would be like, all these people taking pictures. Move out of my way. They're all like, oh, sorry, I'm sorry. Go back almost to where that manhole cover is. That was a perfect walk. I liked it a lot. So we'll hit that same walk. Again, it's gonna be video, so you don't have to look like right at the camera. So let me get in a position real quick. All right, 3, 2, 1. Slow down a bit. Stop there. Give the camera a bit of a smile. Let's keep going a bit. We'll hit that Godzilla. Isn't that like what, around the right? It's the right?
Oh wow. Never seen that
Godzilla. I don't like this street that much. It's fine, but I don't know. Yeah, no, I think I'm good. I think we got most of our shots. Let's walk up here and just double check real quick. So many people have been coming here recently that
Japan is such a
yeah, it's like played out too. So like I'm a fairly known YouTuber. And so it's just like another person. I'm in Japan like everybody else. So Krispy Kreme started where I come from in America, in North Carolina. That's where it started. So it's always funny. I just joke. Like,
so
what do y'all know about Krispy Kreme? Krispy Kreme started in North Carolina. Yeah, no, I think that's good. Pretty good. So finished up the shoot. Obviously, it's not the best lighting, but this will give you a better idea of how the 27mm works. If you want to see it in a better lighting situation, let me know in the comments below, because this definitely wasn't the best, but I love this setup with the 27mm on the X-T5. Hands down the best travel setup you can do. If you want to see more about that, let me know in the comments and I'll do another video on that. But definitely check out some of these other videos I have, and I'll catch you all next time. Don't forget about Krispy Kreme.